What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the 1972 Super Beetle that I'm restoring for my mom. Today, hopefully, I'm going to get most of the interior done, the carpet glued in, get that more all set, maybe get to the seats in, and then I can keep working on the exterior. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing right now. So here it is, all cleaned up, ready to start putting all the interior in. It hasn't really changed since the last time I recorded, but I have been making a little bit of progress. Over here, I got the kick panels cut out for the speakers. These are very cheaply made. You know, I don't think anybody really makes anything good, but I cut these out, got them fitted. And over here, I got the whole carpet all laid out with all the jute padding, everything like that. So I'm gonna start and, you know, do all this stuff today, hopefully get a bunch of it done. Once there's carpet and, you know, door panels and the rear of this car is all put back together, it's gonna really start looking like it's gonna get done sooner than later. I did drive this thing, the engine's in, running, brakes are all done. There's still something I gotta do on the front up here, bushing, that is all bad, but it does run and drive. But yeah, the interior, I want to put this all together before I put the doors and the windows on, obviously. So hopefully right now, today, it's a nice day. I can get a lot of this done and, you know, make some good progress. So I'll record here and there, maybe set this up for a time lapse or something, but hopefully we see some good stuff happening. All right, so I'm in the car, looking at the back of the car, obviously right here, doing the carpet. And there's a lot of different things that you can do with this. And it seems kind of confusing and it's hard to get any information about this. Some people cut their carpet, rear carpet pieces right to that line right there. Some go up. The piece that we got is actually curved to go with the window. These pieces kind of just fit wherever you want them to go. None of this stuff's glued in yet. These pieces right here have to go to these bolt holes. So it's all a little confusing. And, you know, it's one of those things where I could do it, you know, differently than the next person. I don't think that there's actually like a real correct way to do any of this stuff. So, I had to trim out the carpet pieces around here and obviously on this side also. I put these stops in here where the back seat's gonna go, and then like up here we're gonna have a little bit of a gap, not a huge gap. It's not gonna be a straight line, but it just kind of seems like, you know, anybody can do anything that they want. It's going along kind of nicely, but it's just kind of confusing, and every picture you look at online is totally different. Different years, different styles, different carpet kits. But hopefully today, or, you know, definitely today, I'm going to get the side pieces glued in. I'm going to get the back piece glued in, and then work my way down. I don't have all the seats built yet, but if I can do the rear carpet, I'm going to come up to the front and do the front carpet pieces. I got the kick panels in. So hopefully I can do most of the carpet today and it'll be good progress. But yeah, it's just one of those things where you can do it 10 different ways, 100 different ways. I don't think that there really is a good way to do it. You know, some of the binding on these go over the panel, but the way that these are cut, it wouldn't work that way. So the panel's gonna go over it. It's just kind of confusing and different. So if you guys are looking at this video trying to get, you know, the gist of what you got to do, you know, it just seems like you can do anything you want. So just a heads up. But it's one of those things where you just don't want to hide any bolt holes, like the seat belts right here. You don't want to hide the clip for the rear seat. Like I said, these ones right here, I actually cut the headliner out more because those were covered up. You got the seat belt bolts down here. So just be careful with what you're doing and just go from there. All right, guys, so here it is with the back seat, all that stuff, the luggage compartment more really than the back seat, but all this stuff is in, glued. Came out pretty good. It looks good, looks even. Like I said, you can see the top, you know, it's got a gap. Not everybody does that. But that's the back. Yeah, kind of happy with it. Doesn't look too bad. I started coming up to the front. I have the two side pieces in like that on the sill. And I have the kick panel pieces on both sides and the firewall section on. You know, once again, doesn't look that bad. The way that they do it, right? It doesn't really fit anywhere. It just kind of goes on wherever you want it. So it's not perfect, but I don't think Volkswagen had it perfect when they built it. So basically, that's all set like that. Gonna let that dry out before I cut the holes for the speakers and, you know, cut the hole for the vent right there. So it's looking like it's got an interior now, like it's getting there. I'm gonna get some more glue, some more of the spray glue for the, you know, the main carpet piece before I try to do that, because I am almost out. So that'll be next. Glue down the carpet, the rest of the carpet right there, and you know, it's actually looking pretty good. And you know, just move on to the glass and bolt on some of the exterior panels, the fenders and all that stuff. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Looks good, looks clean. I know it's a little dark on the video, but yeah, it's coming along nicely. So make sure to subscribe if you want. I'm going to keep posting more videos of the project. So if you are interested in how it turns out, stay tuned and I will post some more videos. Thank you for watching.